Greetings from Malaysia. So, what I'm showing you here is just standard traffic in the capital in Kuala Lumpur. And as you can see, people tend to not stay in their lane very much. And there seems to be a bit of an issue with lane discipline. I mean, you have to know this when you come to drive here. Although the roads are really good, you do find that the driving can be a bit sketchy. But anyway, I want you to pay attention to what's going to happen in a few seconds. And I want you guys to tell me who is at fault here. Okay, wait for it. Here it comes. There we go. So tell me, who is at fault? Was it the driver or the motorcyclist? Leave a comment in the DMs. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.